This is not a long video. Its primary purpose is to help folks out who might be trying to change the inner cam tensioner without removing the camshafts. There are lots of videos on YouTube that will take you through the whole process, removing your exhaust pipes, covers, the whole works. But when you finally get to this spot, this is the one where if you don't have a press to remove the cams and you have problems with them, you may need replacing bearings if you mess them up. This is a way to change the tensioner without taking the cams out of the cam support plate. If I'm have to do this every 20,000 miles, I need a simple, easy way to do it. So we made a little tool. I'm going to remove the old tensioner first, and then we'll go into a little explanation about how this worked. Little hook catches the tensioner. Allen wrench goes down through the hole and catches that part of it. Apply a little tension, pull them together with the help of a little screwdriver. You slide the old tensioner out. This is basically a couple of pieces of light angle iron from an old bed frame. Small piece of 3/4 inch thin wall conduit. A 1/4 bolt nut and some washers. And 3 little 1/4 washers welded on the side to hold the Allen wrench. This is a new tensioner. You slide the new tensioner where the spring catches on the little hook, and you move the handle around. Not very good with videos, are you, boy? Slide the Allen wrench up in there until you catch the hooks. Fold it around, and it's made so that you can hold it with one hand. Turn it over. Start the spring, keeping an eye not to damage the new foot. And with a little downward pressure, new tensioner's in place. You release the spring, pull out the Allen wrench, and that's it.